welcome to Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I'm Roshni Dhar. Let's look at today's top health news. The Gujarat State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission has recently directed the Balasanor-based hospital to pay rupees 11.23 lakh to the complainant for the death of a patient whose left kidney was removed by the doctor instead of the stones in the kidney. The patient had died 4 months after the operation. The bench took the decision while considering a dispute regarding the liability of paying compensation to a deceased patient's wife. The commission noted that the insurance company cannot be held liable to make payment for the medical negligence of the doctor and the hospital. As the treating doctor had died during the hearing of the complaint, he was abated from the liabilities, and the state commission held the hospital equally guilty, noting that hospital is liable with respect to medical negligence that may be direct liability or vicarious liability, which means the liability of the employer for the negligent act of its employees. The incident took place in 2011 when the husband of the complainant, hailing from Mangroli village of Khera district, approached the doctor of the treating hospital in Balasanor town with complaints of extreme back pain and difficulty in urine passage. Following an ultrasound, the patient was diagnosed with a 40 mm stone in his left kidney in May 2011. Even after being advised to go to a better hospital for the treatment, he chose to continue with his kidney stone removal surgery in the same hospital. After getting admitted in the hospital, the attendants of the patient were surprised when, following the surgery, they got to know that even though the operation was performed for removal of the stone from the kidney, the treating doctor had removed the kidney instead of stone. Following this, the patient was eventually shifted to a kidney hospital in Naidad after condition worsened. He was finally admitted to another hospital in Ahmedabad, where he passed away due to renal complications on January 8, 2012. On the other hand, the counsel appearing for the complainant in the first case contended that the consent was taken just for removing the stone from the kidney, but there was not any consent for removing the whole kidney from the body of the patient. After listening to the contentions of all the parties, the State Commission observed that when policy was taken for the legal liability of the indoor and outdoor patients and not taken for professional indemnity, then medical negligence for the opponent number 1 doctor, that is employee of the opponent number 2 hospital insurance company, cannot be held liable to make payment. Referring to all these judgments, the commission held when opponent number 1 doctor is liable for the act of the medical negligence, then opponent number 2 hospital is also vicariously liable for the act of opponent number 1 doctor, and therefore in the opinion of this commission, the order passed by the learned district commission is not just and proper, and it is required to be modified, and hence following final order is passed. Modifying the District Commission order, the State Consumer Court of Gujarat directed the treating hospital to pay rupees 11,23,000 to the complainant with interest rate of 7.5% from the date of filing of the complaint till its realization, and also ordered to pay rupees 5,000 towards mental agony and cost of the complaint. That's all for today. Thank you.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.